Hello and welcome to banktruth.org, where you can find online bank reviews and savings accounts, CDs, and money markets. Today we'll be talking about online banking. And you can find this page on our website, banktruth.org, and go into online banking. Now the important thing about online banking is not only can it save you time and money, but it can also make you time and make you money. What I mean by that is that with online banking, you're going to find a better rate and in some cases better services than a local branch can provide. Some people are hesitant because they think, well, if I can't go to my bank, then I can't trust my bank. However, FDIC has come out and changed that. Now, if you don't know about FDIC, you can go ahead and read about it on our banking glossary. In short, it simply means that if your bank goes down or anything happens to it, they will refund you that amount or insure that amount. And this is what makes online banking safe. So, now let's talk about finding the best bank that's online. First step is to check its history and see how strong it is. Now this is important not because if your bank goes out of business you lose your money. No, the FDIC insures your money. However, we're looking to make the most of your time and money, and thus we need the highest rate. So, chances are if it's a brand new bank and they're flashing these high snazzy rates, they might just drop them after they get enough clients or customers, and you'll be sitting on a low rate, which isn't what you want. So, look first and see how long the bank has been in business. Sometimes the longer, the better. Not always the case, but that at least gives you a place to start. Second, you can check out their stock exchange and ratings and how they've fared. You know, if it's going down, they're probably hurting and they're probably going to need to cut back on their rates. So look for someone who's doing well in the market. The third thing is get some idea of what their customer service is like. Now on banktruth.org, you of course have our bank reviews, and the top banks are reviewed and they're all FDIC insured. So go ahead and get an idea of what that customer service is like. Call them up, see how long it takes to get to your phone call. The fourth is, let's talk about their website. If you're going to be doing online banking, in most cases you're going to be going through their website. If their website is not usable, what good does it do you? You might be frustrated, you might not be able to access the services you want or make transactions in a pinch. And so you need to check that out, and also make sure that they have a secure socket layer or HTTPS in the browser window. Here's the browser right here. Make sure it says HTTPS when you try to open an account or log in. And fifth thing is to see what exactly do they offer. You know, we recently did a review on American Express, and they offer credit card services and some competitive rates for their savings accounts and online CDs. This might be an advantage because if you're really into using credit cards, you can get a good reward one through American Express and do your banking there. And so you can be paying off your credit card and earning interest at the same time. Also, check and make sure that they have multiple accounts, for example, CDs, savings, and money market, because you might want to make use of all of them. And then sixth is back to the bank reviews point. It's one thing to read what the customer service is like. It's another thing to read what the accounts are like and how the history has been with those rates, what people have found. And then lastly is, of course, make sure your rates are good, your APY, and also your APR. Do they compound your interest daily, or is it weekly, monthly, yearly? You know, hopefully, if they're one of the best banks, it's going to be daily. And then last of all, the thing we can't teach but hope to encourage is, if your bank drops their rate, do not stick with them. Change to a better bank. Get a better rate. This may take a couple times switching until you find someone who's going to stick with the rates. But if in doubt, check our top bank reviews and you'll be able to find a bank that's going to keep your money longer. Thank you for tuning in to banktruth.org, and we'll be hearing from you later.